Welcome to the Prepper Almanac, your one-stop resource for all things related to prepping and survival. We appreciate you joining us today. In today's video, we're going to delve into a topic that's fundamental for any well-prepared prepper. Powdered foods that have at least a 20-year shelf life. These long-lasting, easy-to-store and versatile food options can be a lifesaver in a survival situation. We'll be discussing everything from gravy to cheese and even potatoes, all in powdered form. So, if you're a prepper or just someone interested in long-term food storage, stick around. Before we get started, if you find this video valuable, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Feel free to share this video with your friends and fellow preppers. And of course, don't forget to watch till the end and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Let's jump right in. Moving on in our exploration of powdered foods, one essential item for preppers is baking powder. This often overlooked powder has a long shelf life and is a key ingredient in many baking recipes. From leavening bread to cakes and other baked goods, it's a versatile item to have on hand. What's more, baking powder is relatively stable, meaning it can retain its leavening properties for an extended period. This makes it a reliable choice for preppers looking to stock up on essential baking supplies. So remember, when putting together your prepper's pantry, don't forget to add baking powder. It could be the difference between a hearty survival meal and a bland one. In our exploration of powdered foods, we cannot overlook the importance of spices, particularly cinnamon. This aromatic spice is a great option for preppers. Why, you ask? Well, first of all, it has an exceptionally long shelf life when stored properly. Secondly, it's packed with health benefits. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can be a significant advantage in a survival situation where medical supplies might be limited. But that's not all. Cinnamon's sweet yet spicy flavor can enhance a wide range of dishes, from sweet to savory, adding a comforting and familiar taste to your survival meals. And let's not forget, it can also serve as a natural preservative. So, all things considered, cinnamon makes for a versatile and useful addition to any prepper's pantry. Gravy in powdered form is a fantastic choice for preppers. It boasts a long shelf life and can be easily rehydrated to provide a flavorful addition to meals. Beef gravy can enhance the taste of various dishes from stews to mashed potatoes, making it a versatile and desirable component in a prepper's pantry. Cheese powder is a long-lasting and easily stored food item, making it a suitable choice for preppers. It can be reconstituted to make cheese sauces or sprinkled directly onto foods for added flavor. Loaded with protein and calcium, cheese powder can provide essential nutrients in emergency situations. Potato powder, or potato flakes, is another excellent option for preppers. It can be rehydrated to make mashed potatoes, added to soups or stews for thickness, or even used as a base for making potato pancakes. Packed with carbohydrates and fiber, potato powder can provide a filling and energy-boosting food source during emergencies. Next on our list is egg powder. An excellent option for preppers, egg powder boasts a long shelf life and is incredibly lightweight and easy to store. Whether you need it for baking, cooking breakfast, or even just as a quick protein source, egg powder can be reconstituted with water whenever you need it. In survival situations, having a convenient and versatile source of protein like egg powder can make a world of difference. Hence, egg powder is indeed a must-have in any prepper's pantry. As we delve deeper into our list of essential powdered foods for preppers, we cannot overlook the power of hemp powder. This superfood is not just a great choice, it's a smart choice for preppers. It's known for its long shelf life, making it a reliable source of nourishment in long-term survival scenarios. But what sets hemp powder apart is its nutritional profile. It's rich in protein, fiber, and essential fatty acids, providing the energy and nutrients your body needs in challenging times. Its versatility is another perk. You can incorporate it into various recipes or simply mix it with water for a quick, nutritious drink. So, adding hemp powder to your prepper's pantry is indeed a valuable decision, ensuring you're ready for whatever comes your way. Moving on to another powerhouse in the world of powdered foods, whey protein. As preppers, we can't underestimate the importance of a reliable protein source, especially during emergencies or when fresh food is scarce. That's where whey protein comes into play. Not only is it easily digestible and rich in essential amino acids, but it's also ideal for maintaining muscle mass and overall health. The best part? It can be stored in its powdered form for an extended period, making it a convenient and nutritious supplement for preppers to rely on in times of need. So, when you're stocking up your pantry, don't forget to include a tub of whey protein powder. It might just be your savior in a survival situation. As we continue our discussion through the world of powdered foods, let's not forget about pancake mix, a prepper's delight, and one of my favorites. With a long shelf life and easy storage, it's a convenient food item to have on hand. But beyond that, the versatility of pancake mix in making quick, satisfying meals is what makes it truly shine. From fluffy pancakes to waffles and even other baked goods, a simple box of pancake mix can significantly diversify your emergency food supply. So, when you're planning your next stock up, remember to grab a few boxes of pancake mix. It offers a variety of tasty and comforting meal options, ensuring your survival food doesn't lack in flavor or satisfaction. Let's shift our focus to another practical choice for preppers: vegetable bouillon powder. This compact, lightweight package holds a lot of value as it not only has a long shelf life, but also adds a burst of flavor to various dishes. It can be used to whip up soups, stews, and other meals, providing essential nutrients and making your emergency food more appetizing. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to store. So, when you're stocking up your pantry, don't forget to include vegetable bouillon powder. It's not just a practical choice, it's a flavorful addition to your emergency food supplies. Now let's explore another valuable option for preppers: yogurt powder. This gem of a product is a game changer. With a long shelf life, yogurt powder can easily be reconstituted to make yogurt when fresh dairy products are not available. This makes it an excellent resource during emergencies. What's more, it's a good source of protein and probiotics, making it a nutritious addition to an emergency food supply. This means you're getting essential nutrients while also enjoying the familiar soothing taste of yogurt. But the benefits don't stop there. Yogurt powder can be used in a variety of recipes to add flavor and texture, providing versatility in meal preparation during emergencies. Imagine being able to enjoy a comforting bowl of yogurt-based soup, or a tangy yogurt dressing even in an emergency situation. So, don't forget to add yogurt powder to your prepper's pantry. It's not just a practical choice, it's a nutritious and versatile addition to your emergency food supplies. As we continue our journey into the world of powdered foods for preppers, let's explore another convenient option: Alfredo powder. With a long shelf life and no refrigeration requirements, Alfredo powder is a reliable choice for emergency food storage. All you need is water or milk to reconstitute it into a creamy, flavorful Alfredo sauce. But its benefits don't stop at the sauce. Alfredo powder can be used to enhance a variety of dishes, adding a touch of comfort and flavor in challenging situations. Picture this. Even in an emergency, you can enjoy a hearty pasta with Alfredo sauce or a creamy Alfredo risotto. So, when you're stocking up your pantry, don't forget to include Alfredo powder. It's not just a convenient choice, it's a flavorful addition to your emergency food supplies. As we wrap up today's video, we want to open the floor to you, our viewers. Do you have any burning questions about prepping? Or perhaps there's a topic you'd like to see us tackle in a future video? Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. We're always eager to hear from our community and gain insights on what you'd like to see next. And speaking of community, we're curious to know what country you're tuning in from. Prepping is a global movement, and we'd love to know which corner of the world you call home. Don't forget to share your thoughts on today's video too. Your feedback helps us create content that's tailored to your interests and needs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. This way, you can stay updated on all things prepping and share our videos with others who might find them useful. Lastly, based on your YouTube viewing history according to the YouTube algorithm, they are recommending another one of our videos, which you'll find in the top left corner of your screen. We think you'll find it informative and engaging. So check it out next. Thank you for joining us today on the Prepper Almanac. We appreciate your support and look forward to continuing this journey with you.